Guava helps in maintaining good skin. It contains nutrients such as vitamin C, lycopene, and antioxidants. These nutrients help with skin clarification and maintenance. Vitamin C also acts as an immune booster and protects the body from infections. Guava is a good source of manganese, which helps the body to absorb nutrients in the body. Guava is also a good source of potassium. It helps to regulate blood pressure levels. Guava help with vision. It's a good source of vitamin A, which is a vision booster, and it slows down the appearance of cataracts and macular degeneration. Guava regular consumption can improve heart health. It was showed in a study that guava can lower blood pressure and blood lipids due to the high potassium, soluble fiber, and vitamin C content. Guava may help to prevent diarrhea. According to studies, guava leaf tea can be a remedy for diarrhea. The tea has antibacterial properties, which can help in the treatment and prevention of diarrhea caused by microorganisms. Guava helps to control diabetes. The fruit has a low glycemic index, meaning it is digested and absorbed gradually, leading to a gradual rise in glucose level, which is really beneficial for diabetic patients. Guava consumption can be helpful to prevent cancer. In a recent study, various guava extracts, fractions, and isolated phytochemicals showed to exhibited anti-neoplastic effect. Guava is a nutritive fruit. Guava vitamin C content is 4 times that of oranges. The fruit also has comparatively high levels of iron, calcium, phosphorus, vitamin A and B, tannins, phenols, flavonoids, carotenoids, lectins, and other beneficial compounds. Guava is a nutritionally dense fruit. 1 cup of guava, 165 grams, covers 5 times the daily recommended value for vitamin C, 502%, 44% of vitamin A, 42% of copper, 26% of potassium, 20% of folate, while offering 8.9 grams of fiber. Individuals suffering from irritated bowel syndrome should consult a healthcare practitioner and get advice on how much guava can they consume. Excess consumption can disturb the digestive system. There is no evidence to confirm adverse reactions to the consumption of guava as a fresh fruit. However, before using guava as a supplement for health benefits, it is recommended to consult your healthcare practitioner. Some individuals may react to guava consumption, but these cases remain anecdotal and they are very rare. It is recommended that consumption of guavas be done in moderation. Guava has a significant amount of sugar, and excessive consumption can lead to some health problems. According to American Heart Association, it is recommended the consumption of 4 servings of fresh fruit per day. A serving of guava is 1 medium fruit, and it can be eaten every day without problem. The intake recommendation should be followed, since as many other fruits, guava has a significant amount of sugar in it, and it is important to moderate the sugar intake. Guava can be consumed on a daily basis as a snack, dessert replacement, or with iron-rich meals in order to boost its absorption due to the high presence of vitamin C. 1 cup of guava, 165 grams, will cover 2 out of the 5 a day fruit and vegetable recommended intake.